Good morning, guys. I just wanted to check in with you real quick. Awesome job yesterday on all of your assignments. Every one of you got signed in and got lots of work done, so that was great. So just as a quick refresher, when you sign in this morning, you're going to go to your social skills and work habits class, click on week 1, and then now your Wednesday folder will be available. Every day when you get in here, your first thing that you can go ahead and do every single day is complete the discussion. You'll read what you are sharing about today. Don't forget, you can type your response, or if you'd rather make a video response, that would be a good way for you guys to get to see each other as well. When you're done with the discussion, then come down here and open up your day 2 assignment. Okay, and with this Google Doc, overall you guys did an awesome job yesterday, but some of you, I think you just need to slow down just a little bit because there was a couple different parts that you missed. So you will type at least 2 things that you learned about somebody else's pet or stuffed animal, because that's what you guys are talking about today. There's a little bit of confusion with that. You have to actually go read what other people have posted in the group in order to get your answers for that. For your reading, don't skip this first question up here, the text feature. Some of you skipped that on accident. And then you will just type your other responses right here in this box. I went ahead and moved IDR time up here just so it's next to your other reading activity. Don't forget, you can just go to Google and type in like timer. So if you need to time yourself to make sure you're doing the full 20 to 30 minutes of IDR time, don't forget that's something you can do. With your Zern lesson, almost everybody got all the way through. A couple of you have just a few problems I think that you still need to finish on lesson 16. And then down here it tells you that you need to go back to Schoology and do the exit ticket. That is a digital exit ticket. Almost all of you did that as well, but what you got to do is you got to go back to Schoology. Let me show you real quick. And click back on Wednesday again, and that's going to be what's listed down here. I want to show you yesterday's just really quickly. Almost everybody got it done, but there was a little bit of confusion with it. So on this one, I know they're not numbered, but there's actually 2 problems here that they are wanting you to answer down here in this box, and several of you only answered this second one. Second thing about this was a lot of you kept your answer still as an improper fraction. And if you guys remember, that is where there's a bigger number on top than the bottom, but they were actually wanting you to write it as a mixed number. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick just in case you have forgotten. So on this first problem, so you solve it regularly at first, so 16 minus 5, so 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and you would get 11 ninths. And a lot of you just left it like that, but again, they wanted it as a mixed number. So to turn this into an improper fraction, this is where you have to ask yourself, what is the whole in this fraction? The whole in this fraction is 9. So 9 ninths would make 1 whole. And then remember, you have to remember, okay, how many pieces do I still have left over before I get to this 11? So if 9 ninths gave us the 1 whole, so I got to count up 9, 10, 11, I still had 2 ninths left over. Okay, and I know it talked about a number bond. If you want to do the number bond in your notebook, you can. If you're okay with just solving it like this, that's fine too. On this second one, same thing. So we, remember, keep our denominators the same. 10 plus 5 is 15. And then again, it's asking for it as a mixed number. So I have to ask myself in this problem, what's the whole? The whole is 12. So 12 12s would give me 1 whole. And then if I have 12, I have to count up until I get to 15. So 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 3 12s left over. So just be careful on your one today. If there's more than one problem, then you can answer it, both of them right down there. If you have any questions on that, just let me know. All right, looking back at your doc for today, I'm going to ask today also that you go and explore your specials class, Schoologies. They put some stuff on there, and I just want to make sure you are able to find that. And then you have your Kindness Challenge Day 2 from Mrs. Kaufman. Just in case this was misleading, her directions for what you're supposed to type down here are right here in this picture. So make sure that you read the directions here and then list the stuff right there. A couple other quick things. Just make sure when you're doing your math on Zearn, I know it might feel like it's way easier to just click through on those checkpoints and only do the checkpoints and not watch the video. But it's really, really important that you guys see the whole entire video. Other thing, if you are not sure how to get a hold of me, several of you have figured out how to send me an email, which works perfect. Something else they've added on Schoology now is if you see this little envelope up here in the corner, if you click on that, and then I think you guys will just have to hit new message. If you just type in my name, it won't pop up because it's me, but if you guys find me on there, you can just type a message to me right there, and then I will see it. Or the third thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make an extra discussion down here at the bottom, and it's just going to be questions for today. And if you have questions, you can type them there. I would love tomorrow if we could all jump on and do a conference together so that we can see each other. So if you are available tomorrow around, I think I'm going to do it around 11:15, and you would like to jump on a conference to see everybody, you are welcome to do that. If you are not available, it is no problem. I think other than that, that's all I've got for right now. Please, please, please reach out if you guys need help. I miss you guys, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.